1 year ago, we opened the door to Groundworks here at Foundation Repair of Western Colorado. Every day since, we recognize and feel the difference that decision has made. This is our 1 year anniversary.
We're no longer a small little town contractor in rural Grand Junction, Colorado. We have a nationwide force.
They've delivered on their promises to us.
The trainings is huge. The fact that we have protocols, specific SOPs and guidelines to get to those leadership positions too.
And quickly within the first 3 to 4 months, we see that they're starting to hit those numbers that they hit in 2019 within 3 to 4 months of 2020.
They implemented Bizwiz, which was really super exciting.
I love that it is specific to our industry and that we have control over our software.
We're also going into Utah, which is super because they have been wanting us there for years.
I've got 3 new box trucks sitting out in the lot. I've got a service van sitting in the lot. I don't know if the camera can see this, but before Groundworks took over, all this stuff was sitting on the floor. I mean, they came in here, they made the warehouse way more efficient, 100 times different than it was, way better.
Anytime we needed support from corporate, from Groundworks, literally it was a phone call or an email away and we had it.
With all of the stuff going on this year, Groundworks has come in here and doubled everything.
FRWC in the last year has doubled in sales. We've grown 50% on the revenue and production side. We've doubled our actual staff that works in the office. Groundworks made it so that everybody had a place to go to work and that nobody had to get laid off, and that we were going to continue to be prosperous even through this really difficult time.
Groundworks made a difference in Western Colorado in 2020.
And we need to focus on being the best team in 2021 that we can be and making the best leaps and bounds in our industry and setting that example and being a leader.
Since joining Groundworks, Foundation Repair of Western Colorado has continued to grow and expand every day. Now, we look forward to the limitless opportunities that are still on the horizon.